Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your account with Salesforce, full guide step. To recover your Salesforce account, start by visiting the Salesforce login page. Look for the Forgot Your Password link located below the password entry field. Click on this link to initiate the password recovery process. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Salesforce account. Once you have entered your email, click on the Continue button. Check your email for a password reset message from Salesforce. If you don't see the email, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and locate the password reset link provided. Click on the link to open the password reset page in your web browser. You may be required to answer a security question, depending on your account settings. After answering the security question, proceed to create a new password. Make sure your new password meets the security requirements outlined on the page. Once you've set your new password, click the Save or Change Password button. You will receive a confirmation that your password has been successfully changed. Return to the Salesforce login page and enter your email and new password. If you continue to have trouble accessing your account, try using the username recovery option. Click on the Forgot Your Username link on the login page. Enter the email address associated with your account and click Continue. You will receive an email with your Salesforce username. If you cannot access your email or still cannot recover your account, contact Salesforce support. Visit the Salesforce help and support page for additional assistance. Be prepared to provide verification information to confirm your identity. Once you have regained access, consider updating your security settings for future protection. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.